View from a balcony, pulling the blue lawn chairs next to the ice chest of 2 grams in the blunt that we just blew. Now I'm getting blown by a bitch who I don't know her name. Gold chain hanging, got a few in the room, but I don't wear them out. Only wear them in the house, cause I shine so bright that I wanna blind you. Who New York snow, but them know that the summer is true. Cold as a polar bear, chillin' with thunder and slick. I'm surrounded by 2 lives.
Yo, ooh, who's man's? Ooh, who's man's? Got that fresh cut, boy. Got the curls popping. Hey, Perico Poppy. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm gonna work on rolling my fenders with these new wheels here. We're doing quite a bit of rubbing. As you can see, I can't get my finger up in there, so I gotta roll these some more. The driver's side is worse. I done already washed the car earlier, but I had little pieces of tire all up here. As you see, this towel just popped out. So I don't know how well you guys, yeah, you can see that right there. So I had to roll this back some more, get it a little bit more flatter. I may pull it out some too. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I got it pretty much set up. So yeah, here's a better look. You can see where I was rubbing all that tire there. No rub, no love. But we're gonna make some more clearance. Keep this bad boy up a little bit. But you want to keep it moving. Keep it inside of the lip a little bit. And this is just allowing it to heat the paint up so that it won't flake off or anything like that. So if you care about your paint, you don't want it to flake off. Give us a hint. And then let's roll. I need a lot right here to get that lip done. And here as well. Shout out to my boy Greg for letting me borrow this too, man. Yeah, we're gonna heat that up some more. Alright, so boom. Got this part pushed in. That should be plenty. All up here. Pushed in a little bit more. And I got down here. Before it had stopped right up there, so this should be plenty now. And unfortunately, my back bumper sticks out because I rubbed all of that down prior to rolling these fenders, and those wheels are only 17 by 9.75, so yeah, it's all good though, because I can easily get the quick latches, because I want to get rid of this screw anyway, because I may go just a tad bit lower, maybe, and I am planning on getting some 17 by 10s, so that should be plenty. for this driver's side. Now, about to get going on this passenger side. Yep. Alright guys, I think we good. Got a little bit more clearance. And like I said, the bracket on the back has been rubbed through, so this, if I hit a big enough bump, all it's gonna do is just push that out like that. So we Gucci. Got some tight fitment, baby. Tight fitment. Check this passenger side. Shout out to Citronella. Gotta keep these mosquitoes away. Yeah, we money on both sides. Started rubbing on that tab too, so it won't be for too long. This one to be outside. Definitely be getting those quick latches, more likely. But yeah, we should be money. I guess next up, probably get the detail in this bad boy. Been a while since I clay barred it, so I'm gonna clay bar it and probably hit it with a coat of wax. As you can tell, I washed it earlier when I got off from work, so she's pretty clean already and shining. So yeah. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna see if I can get this oil pressure gauge wired in. As you can see, I've already got the oil pressure sender put onto my adapter here with my factory oil pressure switch. So from what I've read in the instructions, I gotta run one wire from here where that G is, and then run it inside of the car, and then I'm actually gonna use these was it mini add a circuit fuse holder things, as far as like the power and what's gonna allow this to light up. So hopefully it's a straightforward install. This is something that I really needed. As you guys who've been watching the channel for a while know that one of the reasons with my original engine that blew was due to loss of oil pressure for some odd reason. So I got this gauge here. That way I can monitor it from now on. So yeah, let's hope this goes good. Yep. I just got done hitting it with the clay bar. Now I'm throwing on that Adams H2O Garden Gloss. Just did the hood. Well, look at that. Woo! She's about to be shining tomorrow, baby. Alright guys, here's the after. Boom, look at that reflection. Woo! Adams polishes for the win, boy. Well, that's gonna end it for this vlog. It was kind of short. Ain't really much to it. Like, just a little quick detail and rolling of the fenders. I also unfortunately didn't get the oil pressure gauge in. I had it wired up and it was reading, but I couldn't get it to light up with the dash lights. So I'm gonna do some research, take a look at that on another day, and probably vlog it again. Boy, woo! Look at them curls, man. Let me stop at the light skin. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be easy.